Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding two very important hiring. One is Tech Mahindra for BE, BTech, MCA and MSc. Another one, Mindtree Age Program hiring. That's for BCA and BSc. So if you are from BCA and BSc, please use the timestamp, go to the Mindtree hiring, and otherwise, like if you are from MCA or MSc or BE, BTech, just watch the Tech Mahindra part. Okay. Now the role is the typical entry-level software engineering role, and the compensation is 3.25 lakhs in Tech Mahindra, and there is a bond. Okay, usually there is a bond for 2 years, and then important dates. See, it's given the last date is like tomorrow. That's what I get to hear. In fact, I was checking like day before yesterday and all, like but don't know, the link was not open, but suddenly the link is open, and so they say like 9th December is the last date. If there is any extension of dates, I'll inform. So that's regarding and like the assessment and all will happen in a week or two. Okay, and so coming to the educational qualification, like 60% throughout. Okay, so throughout 60%, and then like so eligible like degrees are BE, BTech, MCA, and in MSc computer science eligible. And so in BE, BTech, what are the streams that are eligible? Like computer science, IT, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, communication and electronics. These are the branches that are usually eligible, and of course MCA and MSc computer science also eligible, and not more than 1 year of gap was what was mentioned last time, and there should not be any loss of academic year. Okay, so just November only this hiring happened, and they have called again, and so the passed out like 2020 and 2021 without any backlog. Okay, so that is what they have mentioned, and so last time they had also mentioned like preferred certification like OCP, MCP, AWS, RPA, SAP. Okay, and then like Coursera course in credit mode, similarly EDX in credit mode. Now coming to the selection process, again last time what they had mentioned was online assessment. You will have an aptitude. Okay, so you'll have an aptitude and then like an English essay, story writing. Okay, and then a tech interview and a HR interview. That is what mentioned. Okay, so whether the coding is not usually like in the earlier hirings and all, coding happened. Okay, but I'm not sure about this one. Okay, so it's just mentioned like aptitude, and then like aptitude English, essay story. Okay, and then like technical and HR interview is the selection process. And joining location, this time I have only like 4 locations, like Indore, Nagpur, Coimbatore and Bhubaneswar. Okay, and so work timings, so all these are regular. Okay, now how to apply? Link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that to apply. Okay, and so usually you are asked for the email, phone number, class 10 details, class 12 details. Okay, graduation details including your registration number, and then preferred join. Now we'll see the Mindtree hiring. Now Mindtree hiring is this Mindtree Edge hiring is similar to the Wipro WILP. Okay, now this is a fully sponsored learn and earn program. Okay, gives eligible BCA and BSc graduates an excellent opportunity to build a thriving career at Mindtree while earning a MTech degree in software engineering from PITS Pilani. Okay, and the candidate will support Mindtree in one or more of the following, like development, maintenance, infrastructure support or texting. And following a 3-month technical training to learn about the role, the candidates will also be enrolled in PITS Pilani comprehensive 8-semester UGC approved MTech program. And then so usually, like as far as I know, like the classes happen over weekends and like the free hours, and mostly in online mode. Okay, and the salary and all is not disclosed, but it is usually somewhere somewhere close to 2.2 lakhs is what is usually like offered on this. Okay, so it is when you earn like throughout, and as well as you study, and the MTech program is fully sponsored by Mindtree. Okay, and important dates, again the dates like I'm not very sure. Okay, so from what I got to know is that 11th December has been set as the last date. Okay, so just apply if you're eligible and willing, like just apply as early as possible. And so coming to educational qualification, BCA eligible and BSc eligible. In BSc specifically they have mentioned computer science, IT, physics, chemistry, mathematics, electronics, but they've also said that BSc graduates with core mathematics as a subject in graduation can apply. Okay, so that is other BSc graduates with core mathematics as a subject in graduation can apply. And so they've also said business mathematics and applied mathematics will not be considered, so you should have a core mathematics as one of the subjects in graduation. and the percentage like 60% or 60 GPA, and there should not be any active backlog as on date. And so fully full-time program only permitted, okay, so part-time is not considered, and there should not be any academic gap in the academic tenure, okay, and the graduation should be completed in 3 years, and year of passing like 2020 and 2021, these two batches are eligible. And as far as selection process is concerned, you will have an aptitude and technical test followed by a HR interview. And how to apply this form is very simple to fill, okay, and like 4 p.m. on 11th December, that's the last day to fill, okay. So in this form they usually ask about like name, date of birth, email, mobile number, and then do you have a PAN card, do you have an Aadhaar card, do you have enter your university registration number, college name and university affiliation, college state and college district town name, and then degree type, whether BCA, BSc or any other, and then which stream, okay, mathematics or electronics or physics or IT or computer science or any other stream. So these details you have to fill up, and then year of passing and so on, okay, and they ask whether you have a provisional certificate with you and so on, and then it's easy to fill, okay. So I hope both the information I have shared in this video is useful. If you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to answer your queries. And if you like this information, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.